Xiaomi has officially started delivering the first batch of its SU7 Ultra electric sedan, and the response has been overwhelming. With pre-orders exceeding 15,000 units, it is clear that excitement for this high-performance electric vehicle is at an all-time high. The SU7 Ultra is Xiaomi's most powerful model, boasting an incredible 1,548 horsepower and an advanced 3-motor all-wheel drive system. Designed to rival some of the most prestigious electric performance cars, it delivers breathtaking acceleration and cutting-edge battery technology that ensures an extended driving range. Xiaomi has infused this model with its smart ecosystem, allowing seamless connectivity between the car and the brand's wide range of devices. With its aggressive pricing and industry-leading technology, Xiaomi is positioning itself as a major competitor in the electric vehicle market. The company's strategy of blending high performance with affordability has clearly resonated with consumers, as demand for the SU7 Ultra continues to grow. Xiaomi's first step into the automotive industry is already proving to be a success. As deliveries ramp up and more drivers get behind the wheel of the SU7 Ultra, it is expected to disrupt the market in a big way. Whether it is the stunning design, the ultra-fast charging capabilities, or the advanced driver assistance features, Xiaomi's first performance electric sedan is making a bold statement. If you are excited about the Xiaomi SU7 Ultra and want to stay updated on the latest news in the electric vehicle world, do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Stay tuned for more updates on this game-changing electric sedan.